Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just running the bath. I thought I'll do this video because I am due a face shave, aka a dermaplaning, which I do at home. So basically in my last video I shared how I love to dermaplan or shave my face because I do have really dry skin, and by shaving my face it gets rid of any peach fuzz, so it's perfect for any makeup application. It sits very well on my face. And I also like to dermaplan because it's a way of exfoliating my skin to make sure any of the flaky dry skin gets removed by the process of shaving. Now this is a love and hate relationship by some people. Some people hate the process of shaving their face, some people love it. I personally love it and I've been doing it for years and I haven't seen any extreme hair growth per se. Some people feel like they have more growth on their hair, but I feel like it's more of a psychological thing. I usually shave my face at least once or even after every 2 weeks, and I love it. I just love the feeling of my face being very clear of hair. Also makes any products that I apply, for example moisturizer serums, to penetrate the skin better. And as you can imagine, just by looking at my eyebrows you can tell how dark my hair is, so my facial hair does look a bit more prominent, and by shaving my face my skin appears a bit more brighter. Now if you're doing it for the purpose of exfoliation and getting rid of any dry skin, you should always do dry dermaplaning. Doing it just for the purpose of removing hair, then always apply a facial oil. It'll make the blade glide onto your skin better and remove the hair, and also preventing any friction and damage to your skin. First step, always make sure your skin is very clean. So I have no makeup on, I got rid of all my makeup, I washed my face, and now my skin is completely clean from oils and impurities. Disclaimer, you don't want to have active breakouts because you don't want the blades to open it out and then spread it everywhere. I love to do this when I have a special event. So I have an event in 2 days time, so I am doing it prior just in case I do break out from this process. I never have, but I'm just going to be a little bit more cautious. There's different tools that you can use. You can use something like this. I like to use a blade like this, which looks quite scary because the blade is disposable, so you're making sure it's clean and you're not wasting it, because I feel like sometimes you get those disposable eyebrow razors and it's just a waste, and it is very sharp. So if you are using something like this, be very careful. Anyways, my skin is completely dry. I haven't applied anything and I've been trying to grow out my facial hair for this video. So all I do is I glide the blade in an angle and I just shave downwards. In downward motion is the perfect way to go. And you can see the peach fuzz already removing. I find this process extremely satisfying. I make sure my skin is well stretched out and I just go in like this. You don't want to go over the same place too many times. I even go over places that don't have any facial hair. It's just a nice way of getting rid of any of those dry patches and skin. My skin feels so smooth now. I'll do the rest of my face off camera, but after you're done it's best not to apply anything, especially acids, because your skin can be very sensitive. And don't forget to wear sunscreen if you are going outdoors. After a while I do wash my face with cold water and then apply an oil. Use a facial oil like this after a while. It just keeps my skin a bit more hydrated. Love the feeling of a clean shaved face. It just makes everything look so much smoother, brighter. Now if you enjoyed this quick video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, do you do this and if you've seen any difference in your hair growth, because I would love to know. So thank you and I'll see you guys back in my next video.